So why we require logistics analysis is to check the internal controls and the areas where there can be improvements which will help the management in optimizing their resources effectively. So in this video, I will show you how to prepare logistics reports through SAP. Here is the list of few reports which are going to prepare. So first of all, we will open the SAP, and the T code for logistics is ZOTB. Now we will run the T code. So we need to click on vehicle tracking report and we will click on view report. In the document number, we will put a star so that we can able to find out all documents number. Now in the create date, we will fill the date which is required. In the plant, if we put a star, then we will able to find out the data for all plants. But if we require it for a single plant, then we will use the plant code. So now we will execute it. Then we will find out the Excel dump like this. So now we have to format it a little bit as per the annexures required. So it will be like this. So now basically I will discuss the reports which we are going to discuss. So our first report is delay in truck moving out of factory from in date. So for this, I need to find out the delay between vehicle out date and vehicle in date. So we will put a column over here, and now we will find the delay between vehicle out date and vehicle in date. Now we have to convert it into numbers. Now we will drop it down and it will be like this. We will sort it according to largest to smallest. So this will be our first annexure. Now I'm moving ahead to the second one, which is driver name and license number not updated at the time of entry. So for the second one, what we need to do is to filter out the driver name and license column. We will find out the blanks over here, and same in the driving license column. So these are the cases where driver name and driver license number are not there. We can see over here. So moving forward to the third one, which is gate pass creation date is not mentioned. So for the third one, we require the gate pass creation date column. Here we need to find the blank one. So these are the cases where gate pass creation date is blank. So this is our third annexure. Now our fourth annexure is gate pass status is open. So for the second one, what we need to do is just go to gate pass closing status column and type open. So we will able to find out the open ones. So these are the cases where gate pass closing status is open. Moving forward to the fifth one, which is delay in loading of trucks from date of tear weight. So for the fifth one, what we need to do is to find out the delay between loading completion date and weigh-one date. So here's the loading completion date column. We will put a column, we will put an extra column over here, and now we will find out the delay between these two. Again, we have to convert it into numbers. Now I will drop it down and it will be like this. We will sort it to the largest to smallest so that we can able to find out the maximum delays. Moving forward to the sixth one, which is vehicle moved out without payment. For this, what we need to do is the vehicle, the V1 date column should be blank. So we will select the blank one. So it will be like this. V1 and V2 dates are blank. So this was our sixth annexure. Now moving forward to the seventh one, which is truck moved out empty from factory. So for the seventh one, what we need to do is just go to loading, unloading status column and search the empty ones. So here's the empty out ones, and there are only those two cases only. So we will find out the empty ones. So our final and last annexure is vehicle out date not mentioned. So for the 8th one, what we need to do is just go to the vehicle out date column and select the blank ones. And it will be like this. Vehicle out date is not mentioned. So this was the video of logistics analysis in SAP.